Here's how to change one page to landscape in Word 2010 using section breaks. So number one, click on the word, document to open it, and so open this first. After that, go to the top of your page that you want to switch to landscape. For instance, to change the layout on page 1, scroll to its beginning and click here. So I'll go to layout and then you will see here breaks and click to your next page. Okay, then after clicking this next page, open page layout and go to orientation. So this is my page layout and go to orientation and select landscape. So now you can see this page, first page is portrait and the second page one is in a landscape. So in this way you can uh, make landscape in single page. So I hope once finished everything located between the section breaks using the landscape layout. So don't forget this layout and break and this next page, and after that orientation landscape. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I daily post this like videos, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.